Today, we will continue our journey, keep scalping and day trading momentum-based assets. We will rely on our best scalping indicator and strategy. Markets are not easy to trade. We need to focus on more and more specific assets. No more user stock, let's start now. The moment that you checked out charts today, you will notice the weakness in the market. Totals and major coins are rather on the weak side, while USDT is trying to be dominant. It is actually a nice day to look for short-based trades. And this Edu coin was a nice top loser. It was crushing all morning. 2-hour charts are generally great charts to see dominant movement. As you can see, the red candles one after another falling like crazy. And this nice multi-level imbalance area is actually a great spot to look for short trades. As you know, this is our classic momentum masterclass strategy. For further analysis, I opened the 5-minute chart on the left so we can see the price action much better. First, you will notice that this is not an ordinary level. It is a PDL area, previous day low amplifier. Amplifiers are actually sort of support and resistance flips in a sense. This is why it amplifies your entries. Now let's zoom in the area. Before anything else, what do you notice here? Price is keep breaking down, making new breaks downwards. So this trend is an obvious downtrend. When you draw a Fibonacci, you will also notice that price pulls back deep into the OTE area with an inner imbalance. So at this point, what do we know? 1. Today is a weekday. 2. This coin is a top loser coin. 3. We found 3 multi-level imbalance taps. 4. We also know that this coin is in a strong downtrend. Finally, we know that prices are in the optimal entry area with inner imbalance, and all of this supported with a masterclass level amplifier. So what is next? Looking for entries. Now we are in the 3-minute time frame so you can see every price action in clear sense. I'm always having this question. There is a market structure break but no pullback, what shall I do? As you can see right here, we have a clear market structure break. But obviously, price is not pulling back, it is a straight fall right after the break. We waited for this trade whole day but never made the entry. This could have been a really amazing 4-hour trade actually, if only price pulled back. So, do we have a solution here? Yes, there is. But first you must accept that markets are not your friend. Market does not owe you anything. Market may never pull back. So the alternative solution we can have is dividing your orders. I actually talked about this in the masterclass while I was teaching you 5 different yo-yo styles. So what you do is actually rather simple. You divide your orders into at least 2 pieces. For example, instead of risking 1 full hour in a 1 trade, you may risk 0.5 hours in 2 trades. For example, your first entry should be right after the market structure break without waiting for any pullback. This way, there is no chance of missing the trade. You will be 100% in a trade. Then optionally, you can place the rest 0.5 hour risk order into a possible pullback position as limit order for the future. Here you go. This is your alternative way of trading. So, how to recap alternative trading one more time? What can we do after market structure breaks? Let's talk about possibilities again. Sometimes the price quickly pulls back after the break. Then this is your very classic pullback entry. We already know this a lot. Your alternative is dividing your orders into pieces in this example. making multiple entries instead of waiting for the pullback. I hope that this clears out all your questions. Okay, friends, this is the end of another great day. Please take care and be safe, and see you in the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you